Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be showing you how I make my Sunday dinner. Thank you so much again for checking out this video. Let's get into it. So we're going to be doing some brown stew tofu. Also we're going to be doing rice and peas and some vegetable. Don't forget, guys, to give this video a thumbs up, put on your post notification bell so you can be aware when we post a next video. Alright, guys, so we're going to pressure cook the red peas. I've been soaking these overnight. So as usual, you know, add some salt and some thyme leaf. Alright, and let that pressure cook for about 15 minutes. Now that our peas is 80% cooked, I'm going to go in with some ginger, scallion, pimento, garlic, and a Scotch bonnet pepper and a piece of sweet pepper. The sweet pepper is optional, you don't really have to do it, but I think it really enhances the flavor of the rice and peas. Now remember, guys, these are all authentic Jamaican seasoning that you will be needing in your rice and peas, right? And one of the reasons why I cut these up is because I like them to cook out with the peas, alright? We add more flavor to this. The Scotch bonnet pepper and the ginger. So we're just gonna allow that to cook out a little and then we add the rice. Alright, now that the seasonings are where we want them, we're going to add some coconut milk and allow that to cook for a little while before adding the rice. Now we're just going in with some regular long grain rice. While the rice is cooking, we're just going to go ahead and make our vegetable salad. You can just roughly chop these. Alright, so I'm going to make a dressing for our salad. So we're just going to put these in. Alright, so for our salad dressing, we're going to be using some agave and a little lime juice, not a lot. We're going to go in with some sesame oil. A little bit of cayenne pepper just to give it a little kick, salt and pepper. And some sesame seed as well. Now for the tofu, I just basically season it with all-purpose season and a little black pepper. So what I did was to just pick them apart. I didn't cut them in any particular shape. I just want them to have a little unique, each of them have a little unique shape. Alright, so what we're going to use on it, so the seasoning that we're going to use for the brown stew tofu is sweet pepper, carrot, Irish potato, onion, scallion, garlic, a Scotch bonnet pepper, and some thyme. Alright, let's look at the rice. You see how nice that is? So when you finish cooking it, just fluff the top of it and just leave it. You can take out these sprigs and the sweet pepper and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, so we're going to take those out. Let's brown stew the tofu. Alright, now so we're going to add some oil to the pot, just enough to add the sugar, because the sugar is what we're going to use to make the browning now. Alright, we're just gonna add some sugar. Alright guys, you can see how the sugar is browning under the bottom, so we can just mix it up a little. I think I want it to be a tipsy more darker than this. Alright, now so we're going with the tofu. And because we don't want to crumble the tofu too much, we're just going to just toss it in the pot a little. And we can go in with the potato now, alright? Since those are harder to cook with the carrot. Pimento seed here. Alright guys, at this time we're going to go in with some ketchup. What I did, I actually went in and burned some more sugar just to give it a little more color. So we're just gonna leave that and make it cook down. Alright guys, our tofu has finished cooking, so we're gonna turn it off and show you how everything looked nice. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. As usual, remember to give this video a thumbs up, Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Until next time, bye.